Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can add folders to your workflows on Adobe Bridge to work with them through the workflow task diagram or through the workflow details here, for instance. So let us guide you through it. So guys, launch Adobe Bridge, log into your account, click into workflow here at the top, and here on the left hand side you will see, for example, the favorites bar for folders and locations on your device. You may also navigate to the given folder here or use that overview here. So I will go with this example folder, right click into it, hover your mouse over workflow and assign a workflow. You'll see the list of your workflows here. You may create a new one by clicking into this button. Select, let me go with that custom workflow or example workflow here. And as you can see, I need to add one or more tasks to this workflow preset first. But once we have done that through this option here, for example, once you have created a workflow task diagram, you will be given the opportunity to select the given folder and to assign it to a workflow. Like for example, as you can see, I just did that with this one here. Navigate to your workflow and you will see the task diagram here and all the task details, for example, the preset name, the new file names, for instance, if you'd like to apply the workflow for the given files within the folder, change format, resize, apply the metadata to apply it to files in the given folder via the task diagram. But that's how you add folders to a workflow here on Adobe Bridge. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.